August 31st, International Day for People of African Descent. The International Day for People of African Origin is observed every year on the 31st of August, to celebrate the enormous contribution of the African diaspora in the field of human endeavor. The United Nations observed the first ever International Day for People of African Origin on the 31st of August 2021. UN General Assembly had adopted the resolution to establish the International Day for People of African Descent in December 2020. Resolution also recalled two similar UN initiatives, namely, 2001, World Conference Against Racism, Racial Discrimination, Xenophobia and Related Intolerance, that was held in Durban, South Africa, as well as the Declaration of International Decade for People of African Descent, which will run till 2024. Objective of the day. UNGA established this day, with the objective of promoting greater recognition and respect for diverse heritage, culture and contribution of people of African descent towards the development of societies. The day also seeks to promote respect for their human rights and fundamental freedoms. Why this day is significant? The day is significant in the light of increasing momentum towards ending racism, 20 years after the Durban Declaration and Program of Action. Furthermore, in Latin America, there are about